Welcome to our talk on Dalila project. In this talk, we are going to give out a brief on Dalila project, challenge which our country is facing, and how the Dalila project is going to solve these challenges. My name is Stanley Mwanga from Physics Department, College of Natural and Mathematical Sciences. In the Dalila project, I'm coordinating the technical courses or engineering courses.
My name is Erick Nganzi from the Department of Mathematics and Statistics in the College of Natural and Mathematical Science of the University of Dodoma. I will start by introducing you the overview. The overview of the energy usage situation in Tanzania. As we all know that Tanzania has abundant and diverse indigenous energy resources which are yet to be fully exploited. The source includes biomass, hydropower, solar, natural gas, coal, uranium, wind, and geothermal. But in common practice, you can see that the main dominant source of energy is charcoal and firewood as the source of energy for cooking and heating. Tanzania energy supply depends mainly on biomass, 90%, whereby 78.4% of the total population have access to the grid electricity, while households connected are 37.7%. The household electrified by the solar PV are 30.4%, according to the data from Rural Energy Agency, data taken in the year 2020. I also introduce the livelihood of the economic situations of our people in Tanzania and Sub-Saharan Africa in particular. So you can see that about 50% of the population lives in poverty, out of which 35% is unable to access all of the basic needs, including energy resources. But also, the poor spend about 35% of the household income on energy, while the better off spend only 14%. Now, this statistics gives the important information that you can see the poor people are still using spending the larger portion of their income to access energy. So this invites intervention about the energy uses in our country.
Impact of conventional energy. As we have seen, most of the energy resources used in Tanzania are biomass, fossil fuel such as natural gas, coal, and the others. This source of energy are conventional and have a great impact to our environment. For instance, biomass involves cutting down of the tree. Thus, most of the trees are cut down for cooking and making charcoal wood. Therefore, they deforestate our environment. Also, in burning this biomass and fossil fuel and other natural gases, they produce some gases such as nitrogen oxide, methane, carbon dioxide, and when this gas rises into the atmosphere, they form a layer known as greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases, a layer, have very impact to our environment. As for instance, the sun radiation, when it comes through this layer, because they are short wavelength, they are permeable to this layer. And once they reach on the Earth's surface, they are absorbed by the Earth and they are emitted. Once they are emitted, they are now long wave radiation. And the long wave radiation are not permeable to the greenhouse gases. What happens? They are trapped by these greenhouse gases, and the result is the heating up of the environment, and the temperature of the surrounding is increasing, which leads to the global warming. Therefore, in order to abandon these greenhouse gases, we have to adopt the renewable energy. Therefore, there is a need of using renewable energy because of the environmental impact we have seen. Therefore, renewable energy is a clean energy, abundant, and non-exhaustible resources, and can cover the energy demand of the earth in a climatically sustainable way. For instance, Tanzania is located in the solar belt. Thus, most parts of the Tanzania have abundant solar resources throughout the whole year, with low point occurring in June. Therefore, just if we can be able to manage to tap the solar energy, it is enough to cut us for the energy used in Tanzania for the whole country, and it can be sufficient for our people, thus can keep our environment clean. Therefore, it is advisable to use renewable energy rather than conventional energy for conserving our environment.